So children, so up to now we have discussed how to add 3-digit numbers without carrying. That means without regrouping. Now we are going to learn how to add 3-digit numbers with regrouping. That means with carrying. So let us see an example. So how can we use the concept regrouping while doing additions and subtractions? So how can we use regrouping in additions while doing additions? So let us explain with an example. So take one example. So the 3 number digits are 338. So the next 3-digit number is 270. So these are the 3-digit numbers. The first 3-digit number is 338 and the second 3-digit number is 270. So now we will do the addition of 3-digit numbers by using regrouping concept. So let us start addition with ones place. So every addition should always start from ones place. After completing in ones place, then go to tens place. After completing addition in tens place, then go to hundreds place. So this is the way of doing addition, any addition. So any addition or subtraction should always be start from ones place. So this is the ones place. 8 and 7 are present in ones place, and 3 and 1 are present in tens place. 3 and 2 are present in hundreds place. Now let us start addition with the digits present in ones place. So let us add the digits present in the ones place first. So here the digits present in the ones place are 8 and 7. So the first digit is 8 and the second digit is 7. So lift the fingers equal to the second digit. So lift the fingers of your hand equal to the second digit. Here the second digit is 7. So lift 7 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now start counting after from the first digit. Here the first digit is 8. After 8 we will get a 9. So start counting with 9. So start counting from 9. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So children, we got the sum 15. So if you add 8 and 7, we got 15. That means 2-digit number is obtained. Then how to write the 2-digit number in this place? So we cannot write, we should not write 15 as here. So in 15, there is 2-digit number. That means there are ones and tens. Here 5 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. So the ones place digit should be written in the ones place. So write 5 under ones place. Here 5 is present in ones place. So write 5 in the ones place. Now 1 is present in the tens place. So carry the 1 to the tens place. So carry the 1 to here. So this is called carrying. So if we add any 2 digits, if we got 2-digit numbers, that 2-digit number contains both ones and tens. So we should write ones digit in the ones place. Here 5 is present in ones place. So write 5 under ones place. But 1 is present in tens place. This 1 should not be written under ones place. So carry this 1 to the tens place. Okay children, so this is called carrying. So now there are 3 digits in the tens place. So there are 3 digits in the tens place. So these are the 3 digits present in the tens place. So now we have to add these 3 digits. So here the first digit is 1 and the second digit is 3. So lift 3 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3. So start counting after first digit. Here the first digit is 1. After 1 we will get 2. So start counting with 2. That is start counting from 2. So 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4, and again there is third digit. So there is a third digit 1. So lift one more finger. One more finger. Here we get 4 and start counting. After 4 we will get 5. So the answer is 5. So children, now go to the hundreds place. So there are 2 digits in the hundreds place, that is 3 and 2 are present in hundreds place. Here the first digit is 3 and second digit is 2. So lift 2 fingers of your hand. So 1, 2. So start counting after from the first digit. Here the first digit is 3. After 3 we will get 4. So start counting from 4. It is 4 and 5. So answer is 5. So the sum is 555. So this is the way of doing addition with carry. So in this way, we can carry the tens place into tens place. And ones place should be written in the ones place, tens place should be written under tens place. So this is called carry. So children, let us see some more problems on this concept regrouping. So children, let us see some more problems and we can get a better understanding. So children, so these are some more problems on addition with the regrouping. So let us practice these problems, then we can understand the concept regrouping very clearly. So children, so look at the first problem. So there are 2 numbers. The first number is 121 and the second number is 497. So these are the 3-digit numbers. So the first number, this is the second number. So we have to add these 2 numbers. Here the symbol is called plus. If there is a symbol plus, means we have to add these numbers. So let us start addition from the ones place. So this is called ones place. 1 and 7 are present in ones place. And this is called tens place. Here 2 and 9 are present in tens place. So this is called hundreds place. 1 and 4 are present in hundreds place. So let us start addition with the ones place. So the addition should always be started from ones place. So this is the ones place and these are the digits present in the ones place. So 1 and 7 are present in ones place. Here the first digit is 1 and the second digit is 7. So lift 7 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the 7 fingers of our hand. So start counting after from the first digit. Here the first digit is 1. After 1 we will get to 2. So start counting from 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the sum is 8. Now go to the tens place. So the digits in the tens place are 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 are present in tens place. The first digit is 2 and the second digit is 9. So lift 9 fingers of your hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the 9 fingers. Now start counting after from the first digit. Here the first digit in the tens place we will get 3. So start counting from 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, we have got a 2-digit number 11 and this 11 should not be written under tens place. So this is the wrong one. So if you got a 2-digit number, the 2-digit number should not be written on the tens place because we got 11 tens. So here we got 11 tens. Now we have to regroup this 11 into ones and tens. That is tens and hundreds. So we have to regroup this 11 tens into tens and hundreds. So here 1 is present in tens place and this 1 is present in hundreds place. So the tens place should be written under tens place. So this tens place should be written under tens place 1. and this hundreds place should be carried to hundreds place. So should be carried to hundreds place. So this 1 should be carried to hundreds place. So write 1 here. So this is called carry. So the 11 should not be written in the under tens place because there are tens and hundreds. So here 1 is present in the tens place. So write 1 under the tens place. And this 1 is present under hundreds place. So carry this hundreds place. So that means carry this 1 to the hundreds place. So this is the way of carrying. This is called regrouping. So now there are 3 digits in the hundreds place. So now add 3 digits. So first add 2 digits. So and add the third digit to the answer. So the first digit is 1 and the second digit is 1. So if you add 1 and 1, we will get 2. So the third digit is 4. So lift 4 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the answer is 2. After 2 we will get 3. So start counting from 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6 and the sum is 680. So this is the way of doing addition by using regrouping. So here if the addition of any 2 digits got a 2-digit number, then we have to regroup that into ones and tens or tens and hundreds. So children, let us see the second problem. So here the second problem is 302, 289. Children, so let us see the second problem. There are 2 numbers. The first number is 302 and the second number is 289. So let us start addition with ones place. So this is ones place and this is tens place. This is hundreds place. Here 2 and 9 are present in ones place. 2 and 9 are present in ones place. So start addition from ones place. So here the first digit is 2, second digit is 9. So lift 9 fingers of your hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the 9 fingers. So start counting after from the first digit. So the first digit is 2. After 2, we will get 3. So start counting from 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have got a 2-digit number 11. So here 11 is a 2-digit number. That means we have got 11 tens. So this 11 should not be written under ones place. So this is the wrong one. Now we have to regroup this tens into hundreds and tens. So here 1 is in tens place and this one is in hundreds place. So write, so here, so we have got 11 ones. So we have got 11 ones. Here, this 11 should not be written under ones place. This is the wrong one. Because it is 11 ones, we have to regroup this ones and tens. That means here, 1 is present in ones place and this one is present in tens place. So write this 1 under ones place. So the ones digit should be written under hundreds ones place. So the digit present in the ones place should be written under ones place. Here 1 is present in ones place. So write 1 under ones place. And this one is present in tens place. So carry this 1 to tens place. So carry this 1 into tens place. So this is called carrying. So here 11 is a 2-digit number. That is, we have got 11 ones. We have to regroup 11 into ones and tens. Here 1 is present in ones place. So write this 1 under ones place. And carry this 1 to tens place. So next, there are 3 digits under tens place. Now add these 3 digits. So add these 3 digits. The 3 digits are 1, 0, 8. So 0 means nothing. That means there is there is no objects, there are no tens in that place. So 0 means nothing. That means so zeros are absent in that place. So we have 1 and 8 are there. So there is no need to consider 0 here while doing addition. So we have to consider two digits 1 and 8. So consider 1 and 8. And no need to consider 0 because 0 means there are no tens. So now take 1 and 8 and add 1 and 8. Here the first digit is 1 and the second digit is 8. So take 8 digits, 8 fingers of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So start counting after from the first digit. Here the first digit is 1. So after 1 we will get 2. So start counting from 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Now go to the hundreds place. There are 2 digits in a hundreds place. That is 3 and 2. So the second digit is 2. So lift 2 fingers of your hand and start counting after from the first digit. Here the first digit is 3. After 3 you will get 4. So start counting from 4. So 4, 5. So the answer is 5. So 591. So children, this is the way of carrying. So if you got a 2-digit number, if you add any 2 digits and if you got a 2-digit number, then we have to carry the first digit to the next place. So here the first digit is 1. So carry that first digit to the next place. So we got 11 in the ones place. So in the 11, the 1 should be written under ones place and the next one should be carried to the next place, that is the tens place. So this is the way of doing carrying. So children, so note down these problems in your notebook and practice the remaining problems at your home. So practice the remaining problems at your home. So there are so many problems in the exercise. So the problems in the exercise will be provided in the link given below. So you can download a PDF file and from the given link and practice those problems at your home. So you can download the PDF file having remaining problems in the link given below. So note down these problems in your notebook and practice this third problem at your home.